children, good morning to all. Welcome to online maths class, Unit 4. Today's topic is shapes and sides. Shapes and sides. Okay children, are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes, did you have a breakfast? Did you have a breakfast? Yes, very good. What is today? Today is Monday. What is today? Today is Monday. Okay children, what did you see the last class? Students tell me, what did you see the last class? Yes? Very good. Shapes match it. Okay? Shapes match it. Okay children? Again one time, read the shapes. Okay? Students tell me. Yes. Triangle. Very good. Next one. Rectangle. Yes. Square. Circle. Pentagon. Diamond. Very good. Hexagon. Cube. Then cylinder and oval. Okay, this is a shapes. Okay, this is a shapes name. Shapes name. Next one, sizes. Smallest and biggest. Smallest and biggest. சிறியதிலிருந்து பெரியது. Okay, smallest and biggest. Next one, shapes. Thick and thin. Thick and thin. Thick and thin. Okay. Next, in the previous classes, near and far, before and after. Before and after. Before and after. Next one, on, under, above and below. On, under and above and below. Okay. Next, outside and inside. Outside and inside. Outside and inside. Outside and inside. On, under. It's a position word. Okay, this is a position word. First topics, top and bottom. Top and bottom. Top and bottom. Okay, children. Did you finish your homework, children? Did you finish your homework? Yes, very good. What is the homework? What is the homework in yesterday? Yes, shapes. Match it. Okay? Students, check the answers. Students, check the answers. The first one is, yes, match the shapes name. Match the shapes name. Match the shapes match it. Okay, page number 118. Page number 118. Worksheet number 26. Worksheet number 26. Worksheet number 26. Students, take one maths book. Unit 4. Page number 118. Worksheet number 26. Worksheet number 26. Check the answers, please. Children, check the answers. First one. Yes, diamond. First one, diamond. First one, diamond. That side, see. Where is diamond safe? Where is diamond safe? Yes, the second one is diamond safe. Very good answer. Super. Keep it up. Clap, clap, clap. Yes, very good. B part, in B part. What is this shape? Yes, very good. Hexagon. Hexagon. What is this shape? Hexagon. Very good. See that side? Where is the hexagon shape? Yes, the fourth one is hexagon shape. Very good. Keep it up. Next. What is next one? What is next one? Yes. Pentagon shape. What is this shape? Pentagon shape. What is this shape? Pentagon shape. Okay. See that side. Where is pentagon shape? Find out. Yes. The fifth one is pentagon shape. So draw the line. Fifth one is pentagon shape. Okay. The next one is cube. What is this shape, children? Cube shape. Very good. Cube. What is this shape? Cube shape. Super. Find out the cube shape. Find out the cube shapes. Yes, the first one is cube shape. The first one is cube shape. Very good. So draw the cube shapes. Okay. Next one, cylinder. Cylinder. What is next one shape? Cylinder. What is next one shape? Cylinder. Very good. Find out the cylinder shapes. Yes, the last one is cylinder shape. Very good. The last one is cylinder. So draw the cylinder shape. Next, circle. What is the shape? Circle. So find out circle shape. Yes. Third one is circle shape. So draw the line. The last one is what is the shape, children? Tell me. Yes. Triangle. Very good. Super. Triangle shape. Triangle shape. So draw the triangle. All please check the answers. This is correct answer. Yes, very good. Super. Keep it up. Very good. Okay, children. See the next slide. Look at the slide now. Draw this table in your notebook. Okay. Students, take your rough note. Okay. Students, take your rough note. Take first. Giving a count of number 5. Take it fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Take it fast. Okay, children. Object with sides. Okay. Object with sides. Take your rough note. Write in the topic. Okay. Students, take it fast. Take it fast. Object with sides. Object with sides. Object with sides. That side. Object without sides. Object without side. Object without sides. Students, write fast in the topic. Draw a column. Draw a column. Students, take it fast. Draw this table in your notebook. All are finished? Okay, children. Now let's go to the next slide. Children, discuss and write the name of the correct object in each column. Correct? Discuss and write the name of the correct object in the each column. Okay? Students, what is this picture? First one, chessboard. Very good. First one is chessboard. What is the first one? Chessboard. How many sides? Object with sides. Okay, object with sides. Okay, next one, egg. Egg. Very good. The third one is sandwich. Sandwich. The third one is ball. Third one is ball. This is a circle shape. Egg is a oval shape. Chessboard is a square shape. Chessboard, square or diamond. Okay, diamond. Next, battery. Battery is a cylinder shape. Battery. Book is a rectangle shape with sides. Object with sides. Next one, clock. This is a pentagon. Hexagon shape. It's a hexagon shape. Students, tell me the object with sides. Tell me anyone. Object with sides. Which one is? Yes. Chessboard. Very good. Chessboard. Object with sides. Chessboard. This is a object with sides. This sides is corner. Okay. Very good answer. Okay, children. The next one is egg. The next one is egg. So object without sides. Okay, sides illa. No sides. What is this object? Yes, egg. So, no sides and no corners. Next one, what is this object? Yes, sandwich. What does this say? Tell me, students. Yes, triangle. Very good. Triangle shape. What does this say? Triangle shape. What does this say? Triangle shape. With sides. Okay, object with a triangle shape. With sides. Okay, triangle. What is this shape? Triangle. What is this object? Sandwich. Very good. Sandwich. Okay. Next one. What is it? Students, tell me. This is a without sides. Ball is a without sides. No sides and no corners. Very good. No sides and no corners. Ball. No sides and no corners. Very good. No sides and no corners. The next one is battery. Very good. Battery. Students, write it in the rough note. In your rough note. Students, write it in your rough note. Battery. What is this object? Yes, battery. What is this shape? Yes, cylinder. Very good. What is this shape? Cylinder. Okay, this is the which sides? Okay. Battery. Battery. Okay. Next, book. Object with sides. Okay. Object with sides. In the class, sides is in the object class. Okay. Without sides. Tell me the object. Yes, ball. No sides and no corners. Okay. With sides, book. What does it say? Yes, rectangle. The next one is hexagon. Very good. Clock. Hexagon says clock. 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 Students, first one, object with sides. Object with sides. Object with sides. Chessboard, sandwich, battery, book and clock. Okay, so 5 object with sides. 5 object with sides. Object without sides. How many object? 2 object. Very good. 2 object. Which one is? Egg and ball. Egg and ball. Students, look at the board. Object with sides. Object without sides. Okay. Sides illada object side note பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Okay. With sides. With sides. Which one is? Chessboard, sandwich, battery, book and clock. Okay. Object with sides. Object with sides. Without sides. Object without sides. Egg, ball. Egg and ball. Egg and ball. Okay. Are you understood? Are you understood, children? Now note it first. Now write it. Take your rough note and write it in your rough note. Write first, students. Okay. You finished? Okay, children. Now let's go to the next slide. Again in time. Object with sides, object without sides. Okay, object with sides, object without sides. Which one is, students, tell me? Yes, chessboard, sandwich, clock, book and battery. This is an object with sides. Sides are the object. Okay, chessboard, sandwich, clock, book and battery. Next, object without sides. Object without sides. Egg and ball. Egg and ball. Egg and ball. Students, again one time. Object with sides. Object with sides. Chessboard. See, chessboard, sandwich, battery, book and clock. Okay, it's an object with sides. Without sides. Object without sides. Which one is? Yes, egg and ball. Egg and ball. Are you understood? Are you understood, children? Okay, dear. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. Okay, write it fast. Okay, children, take your maths book. Take your maths book. Page number 119. Page number 119. Worksheet number 27. Worksheet number 27. Take up pencil or eraser. Take it fast, children. At the count of number 5. Okay? Take it fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Take it fast. Okay, children. Now I introduce clap activity. Okay. All stand up. All stand up. Okay, children. Are you ready now? Are you ready? All stand up. Okay. Say, are you ready now? Your time starts now. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Shh. 1, 2, 3. Shh. 1, 2, 3. again on time. This is the rocket clock. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Shh. 1, 2, 3. Shh. 1, 2, 3. Shh. Okay, are you happy now? Okay, children, take worksheet 27. Worksheet number 27, page number 119. Page number 119. Page number 119. Okay, this is same way. Okay, draw objects with sides. Okay, draw object with sides in the first box. Okay, draw objects with sides in the first box. Sides oda irukada first box la draw panna solranga. Okay, endha object sides oda irukko and object first box la draw panna solranga. Okay, you understood? Okay, children, draw object without sides in the second box. Okay, draw object without sides in the second box. Are you clear this question? Children, are you clear? First box la sides oda irukka object draw panna solranga. First box la. Second box la object without object, sides illama irukulla object, sides illama. Yes, very good. The second box la draw panna solranga. Find out, students, which one is sides? Object with sides. Object with sides and then without sides. Object without sides. Where is? Yes, books. Very good. Book. Book is the book. 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 Draw in the first box. Draw in the first box. Yeah, with sides. Draw in the first box. Students, find out. I saw the next slide. First, find out the with sides and without sides. Okay, children, say the answers. With sides and without sides. After I show the slide, answer slide. Okay. Which one is book? Very good, super, very good answer. Next one, yes, water bottle, very good, super, keep it up, excellent answer. Water bottle. Next one, yes, clock, very good. Yeah, with sides. Idella sides oda irukku the object la. Okay, clock. Next one, log, very good, super. Log. Very good. First, with sides and without sides. Okay, sides oda irukka object first box la draw pannu, sides illama irukka object second box la draw pannu. Okay, children, which one is with sides? The object book, water bottle, clock, log. Okay, without sides. Yes, ball and what is this? Circle thing. Ball and circle, no sides. Okay, without sides. Are you clear? Okay, children, check the answer. Take worksheet number 27, page number 119. Take it first. Draw the object in the first box with sides and without sides. Okay, children, draw fast. First box, book, water bottle, clock and log in the first box. Yes, very good. Without sides. Yes, ball and carrom board. Circle shape. 3, 2, 1 and C 0. Are you finished? Are you finished? Okay children, are you understood? Shapes, sides, okay, with sides and without sides, okay, with sides and without sides. Okay children, today we are learned, what is that? Yes, shapes, sides. Sides oda enna object irukku paathom, sides illama enna object irukene paathom. Okay children, are you understood? You understood this class? Yes, again one time recall the today class. Yes, tell me, with sides and without sides. With sides, the object chessboard, sandwich, battery, book and clock. Okay, object with sides, object with sides. Okay children, object without sides. Sides illama enna object irukku paathom. Okay, egg and ball, egg and ball. Okay, today we are learnt with sides and without sides. Sides. Okay, are you understood? Okay children, now let's go to the next slide. Students, today's homework, take your rough note. Okay children, take your rough note, object with sides and object without sides. Okay, object with sides, object without sides. Take your rough note and draw the column object with sides and object without sides. Okay, go write the name. Chessboard, take your screenshot children. Chessboard, sandwich, battery, book and then clock. Extra more object, find out and write it. Okay children, object without sides, egg and ball. Okay, the second homework, write the shapes name. Okay, write the shapes name, sides and corners. How many sides and how many corners? Okay, are you finished? Did you like this homework? Okay children, thank you children. See you tomorrow.